You see a lot of Peterbilts, you see a lot of Kenworths, but you don't see many GMC Generals. Well, it's like a poor man's Peterbilt. It wasn't the best made truck as far as elegance and stuff, but it got the job done. My name is Stuart Geltmaker. I'm out of Floyd Dobbs, Indiana. I'm a retired heavy equipment operator. The truck here behind me is a 86 General. They stopped making the GMC General about, I'd say somewhere around 87. This type here is the longer hood. They did make a shorter hood than this. Did quite a bit of work with it. It was pretty rough when I got it. It's got an 8V92 TA, 500 horse Detroit in it with an Allison automatic. But I always liked the sound of a two-stroke Detroit. So I thought one of these days I'll have me one of those. I finally got one. So it's got 355 gears in the back, and I call it my drag truck because it is fast. I love to drive it because people around you, they don't think that thing will go like that. Some of these guys in these pickup trucks and try to race you. It will fly, so I've had a good time with it. Well, that kind of tricking it out, if you will. Put things on it, it just kind of stands out. I had a couple of good painters, and they painted the black for me. The rest, the detailing, I did myself. Because it was black, I just called it Black Widow. Yeah, it just kind of comes to me what to do. Like I said, we put the fifth wheel cover on it, got the big Black Widow spider. If I walk around and see something I think it needs to be put on it, I'll have to put another chrome nut on it, or like on the back of the air dryer. On the shocks, put the red stripes on it and everything. So it all falls together.
In terms of the interior, what custom work did you do to the interior?
Well, not a whole lot. Some of the gray, I repainted it. Of course, the light switches for all the lights, the metal flake knobs for the air brakes. Fixed up the two pedals, the accelerator and the brake. So I've had a good time with it, and my wife's been behind me all the way. And matter of fact, we'll be celebrating our 56th anniversary pretty soon, in November. So I've had a good life.